Hello friends, myself Dr. Pankaj Chaudhary as a consulting diabetologist in Silchar. Today's topic is understanding cholesterol management. In today's session, we'll learn about the management of cholesterol. Cholesterol is an essential component of the blood, cells and body tissues. Almost every cell of the body needs cholesterol to function normally. Cholesterol is essential for producing hormones. The body needs cholesterol to function normally. Cholesterol is essential for producing hormones, vitamin D and bile acid that helps to digest fat. Our body needs cholesterol to be healthy, but too much cholesterol can be harmful for the health. Body produces all cholesterol it needs to keep healthy. Body also get cholesterol from the food we eat, which is called as dietary cholesterol. Cholesterol is a fatty in nature and cannot dissolve in blood, which is watery in nature. So for circulation in blood, cholesterol is packaged in what is called lipoproteins, which have fat inside and protein outside. There are the two main kinds of lipoprotein which carry cholesterol in the blood. First one is low density lipoprotein or LDL, which is called as a bad cholesterol. As it carries cholesterol to tissues, including the blood vessels, most of the cholesterol in the blood is in the LDL form. The LDL numbers needs to be low because higher the level of LDL cholesterol in the blood, greater the risk for the heart disease. If there is too much LDL cholesterol in the blood, some of the excess buildup stuck up in the inner walls of the blood vessels. This increases the thickness of the blood vessels and makes them hard. This causes obstruction in the normal blood flow, increasing the blood pressure. So high blood pressure results in several diseases such as heart attack, kidney disease and stroke. Then HDL, high density lipoprotein, which is called as good cholesterol, as it removes that bad cholesterol from various organs and clears it from the body. It can also remove excessive cholesterol accumulated in blood vessels. To remember the H in HDL is commonly referred to as a healthy, and HDL levels number should be high, as low level of HDL cholesterol increases the risk for heart disease. The other common type of fat in the body which can build up in the blood vessels is called as triglycerides. They come from food and body also makes them. High cholesterol usually has no sign or symptoms. The only way to know whether one have high cholesterol is to get their cholesterol checked. The health care team can do a simple blood test called a lipid profile to measure the cholesterol levels, which typically reports total cholesterol, which is the total amount of cholesterol in the blood based on the HDL, LDL and triglycerides numbers. Then LDL cholesterol, then HDL cholesterol and then triglyceride. Cholesterol is measured in milligrams per deciliter. The described levels of the cholesterol are total cholesterol less than 200 mg per dl, then LDL cholesterol less than 100 mg per dl, HDL greater than or equal to 60 mg per dl, triglyceride less than 150 mg per dl. If the cholesterol is found to be high, the doctor will recommend various treatment options, which is dietary and lifestyle changes and medication to lower the cholesterol. Though cholesterol levels can be lowered with lifestyle changes, many people needs cholesterol lowering drugs in addition to lifestyle changes to lower in the LDL levels. Say drug treatment. There are the various types of drugs used to the lower LDL, and they work in different ways, which include: number one, statin, very effective in lowering LDL levels and are safe for most people. These are considered as first-line treatment and most frequently prescribed as initial therapy. Then bile acid also lower LDL and can be used alone or combination with statin. Then third one is nicotinic acid, lower LDL or triglyceride and raises HDL. Then fabric acid, lower LDL somewhat but are used mainly to treat high triglyceride and lower HDL levels. Then cholesterol absorption inhibitors, lower LDL and can be used alone or in combination with statin drugs. If the doctor prescribes medicine as part of treatment plan, be sure to take it regularly as prescribed. Also implement the healthy lifestyle changes along with medication. The combination of the medication and heart healthy lifestyle changes can help lower and control the blood cholesterol levels. This will keep the dose of medicine as low as possible and lower the risk in other ways as well. Then healthy life changes. By making healthy life changes, one can help prevent heart disease and control the high blood cholesterol levels. Number one, healthy eating. What one eat has a huge impact on their health. Our body makes all the cholesterol it needs, which is why experts recommended the people eat as a little dietary cholesterol as possible, which one a healthy eating plan. Dietary cholesterol is found in animal foods such as meat, seafood, poultry, eggs and dairy products. So what one can do, limit foods high in saturated fats such as cheese, fatty meats and dairy desserts, tropical oils and high processed food. Choose food low in saturated fat, trans fat, sodium, salt and added sugar. This includes lean meats, seafood, fat-free or low-fat milk, cheese and yogurt, whole grains and fruits and vegetables. Eat food naturally high in fiber such as oatmeal and beans are unsaturated fats found in vegetable oils and nuts. Increase intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, poultry, fish and nuts while curbing sugary food and beverages. Next, becoming more physical activity. Physical activity is important as a sedentary lifestyle. Lowering HDL or good cholesterol and less HDL means there's less good cholesterol to remove LDL or bad cholesterol from the blood vessels. Just 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise as a week is enough to lower both cholesterol and high blood pressure. Exercise which one can do include brisk walking, swimming, bicycling or even dance class can fit the bill. Then quit smoking. Smoking lower than HDL cholesterol and it will known to increase risk of heart disease. By quitting smokers can cut down their cholesterol levels. Losing weight. Being overweight or obese tends to increase their bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol. Reducing the weight for obese person can lower the cholesterol levels. Is weight loss of as little as 10% can help to improve the high cholesterol numbers. Then manage stress. Chronic stress can sometimes raise LDL cholesterol levels and decrease HDL cholesterol levels. Then get enough good quality sleep. Sleep helps heals and repair the heart and blood vessels. The recommended amounts for adult is 7 to 9 hours of a sleep a day. At the end, I want to summarize the session as a high blood cholesterol is one of the major contributing risk factors for heart disease, heart attack and stroke. No matter your age, you can take step each day to keep the cholesterol levels in a healthy range. High cholesterol can be prevented and managed by making healthy choices. It can be done by taking the medicines, as directed, making healthy lifestyle changes, talking with healthcare team and checking the cholesterol regularly. Thank you.